All right, let's talk hand molding and hand applying paints, because this is probably one of the easiest ways for you to get started in line marking, but it's also one of the easiest methods of line marking and the cheapest. Now, in terms of what these cost, hand molds probably set you around 25 to 50 pounds, depending on where you buy them and for what size you go for. You can also get some super fancy ones that have got like a gate that actually opens and closes on like a small lever, so when you're pulling it, you can sort of open and close it. But these are the very sort of bog standard ones that you can use for both thermoplastic and MMAs. Now, they do come in different sizes, so we've got 200s, we've got 50s, we've got 100s. You can have them with a sort of chamfered edge if you like, or you can just go for the straight ones that we've got here. And all you're going to do for these is literally pour your MMA or thermoplastic into a jug and then literally pour it on top, drag the line back. It is super easy. In fact, what we're going to do now, let's jump over and I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like when we're putting this on the ground. So as you can see, using the hand mold is a really nice straightforward process. We're just pouring it slowly out of the jug into the hand mold and drawing it backwards. Be careful not to pour too much into the hand mold itself, because any excess you're going to have to push back over, but of course it's also wasted product that you don't want to be using up. That's pretty much it for this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.